To mark apps with unread notification using dot on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable the app icon pages feature and then set it to dot. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen and then tap setting. Scroll down the screen. Next, tap the gray on offset next to app icon pages until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap app icon pages. Under page style section, select dot. To see the result, go to your home screen or app screen. As you can see, now your phone will display a small dot on apps that have unread notification, so you can easily know if an app has unread notification without needing to open the app. As a note, the page will not be displayed on those apps that you have turned off its page notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.